Hey guys, Andy Farmer, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. I'm going to do a video walkthrough on this 320 Vantage. Boat is equipped with twin 350 horsepower Mercury Verados. Also has the joystick piloting feature, so that's going to give you autopilot, as well as skyhook, and the ability to just get in and out of your dock with the use of the joystick controls. Helm seat, obviously flip down armrest, controls here, there's your joystick, throttles, precision piloting pad. You can see the auto heading on there, as well as the skyhook features. It's got dual Raymarine 12-inch displays. Also has a Fusion stereo system and a Raymarine VHF radio. Linko trim tabs. There's your push button start. Picture of these gauges for you. Let's take a look at the under the helm. It's where your head is going to be located. It's got a nice flip down teak top for it when it's not in use. Continuing to move forward, this nice rigid integrated windshield. We've got armrest for up here, hookups for your 12-volt chargers, charging your phone, whatnot. Shower. No rips or tears in the upholstery up here that I see. The boat is equipped with a bow table, and you can see from these knobs here and the cushion that is under the port console that the boat is equipped with the bow filler cushion. Turns that area into a sunpad. Got the synthetic teak throughout. Nice classic look without all the maintenance. That's starboard, your dive door. Got opposing lounges here. Those do flip down. There you go with it down to form a nice sun pad over there, and great storage underneath the base as well. Coming back up, got your port console here. This boat is having new cushions done for this area. Those are the bases for the bow sunshade. Boat is also equipped with the rear sunshade. Also fishing package. So we've got a live well to port. Got your extra stainless rod holders on the transom, and up on the hardtop. Guys, this is Andy Farmer with MarineMax in Wrightsville Beach. Thanks for taking a peek at this 320 Vantage with us today. Call us if you have any questions. Best way to reach us is 910-264-4818. Again, 910-264-4818. Kind of do one last walk around here. Give you a little better, more of a panoramic view of the layout of the boat. Here's your twin 350s, transom. Thanks again for taking your time to watch the video. This is Andy Farmer, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. Give us a call, 910-264-4818. Thanks.